Hi there, I'm Drew Badger, the world's #1 English fluency guide, and it's a pleasure to welcome you to another How to Say It Like a Native English Speaker episode. In this video, I'll give you something that's helpful when you're on the phone. Now, normally when you want to make an appointment for something, you would ask, when are you available? Or are you available at a certain time? This is perfectly good English, and this is something you would find in a textbook. But if you want to sound more native, natural, and conversational, here's something that sounds even better. What time is good for you? What time is good for you? So when you're asking someone what time is appropriate or what time is available, you can say good for you. What time is good for you? What time is good for you? You can also say when's good for you. When's good for you? So this is when is good for you. When's good for you? When's good for you? And a bit more specifically, you could say, is Tuesday good for you? Or is now good for you? You can use it anytime you want to ask. Instead of using the word available, you can talk about being good for you. Good for you. Or if you're just in a regular conversation and you're saying, hey, what time should we meet for our party? And I say, oh, what time is good for you? Or when's good for you? So even just between friends, you can use this as well. Now let's do a little quick practice just so you can hear how it sounds, and we're going to practice when's good for you. When's good for you? When's good for you? Now I'll give you 3 quick questions so you can practice answering these and get used to using them in your conversations. Remember, it's when's good for you or what time's good for you. I'm organizing the event for Saturday. What time can you come? The movers would like to know when they can come pick up your stuff. Should we have the meeting at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock? Excellent work. I hope you try using what time is good for you or when's good for you in your conversations and while you're on the phone, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Be sure to like this video, share it with a few people that are also trying to learn, and do subscribe to the EnglishAnyone.com YouTube channel if you're not already a subscriber. See you next time. Bye-bye. To continue learning, click on the link in this video to download Speak English Naturally, our free guide to speaking and sounding like a native English speaker. The guide reveals the 3 most important kinds of conversational English you must learn if you want to sound native, and will help you experience instant improvement in your fluency and speaking confidence. To download your free guide on a mobile device, click on the link in the upper right of this video. To download your free guide from a computer, click on the link in the lower right of this video. I look forward to seeing you in the guide.